And that is a higher percentage. Apart from one no more, don't forget, say na be war. Court injunctions are omuntiminto aba. To say Okomenshia, I think Nensha North. Then you go to Sunyani East. And then so there were areas about no muntiminto because of interlocutory injunction, court injunction, I did that so. 276, you know. Emu 245, where is a higher percentage, 88.5 or so percent, which is good. Now, 23 constituencies, and you put elections on hold, be on disputes. Out of that, 4 constituencies, and also they know also to, but last minute now challenges bebre. Enti ura be ti se ningo pramprama omantimanto atwumamponia omantimanto oboase west last minute for no affair trouble. These are 4 areas, thematic areas omantimi enrem ana omusadi abase the National Steering Committee ebe review the activities of course so ebi ti se afijase seche east. If you just say na amhwe videos nyom efiri ho bae. Now I will say a little about Ateche Frifa because it's in the industry. Obia wo what he aspires for. Obia wo de need that so obeso oye wa abrabom. Obeso oye wa abrabom. And I don't have qualms when people decide so that is fine. But something happened. Meka wasem kakra. Enti review committee no bantama meka cho say it started now if you do baby no but still the steering committee have to review. No matter say okay aha na ye pepepe ana yensa nko tubiem ana then declare what should we do. So these are areas that they will be reviewing the steering committee. And the one those areas are on review Efija Seche East, Adanse, Asokwa, Bantama, and Asante Achim Central. These are 4 areas, Omu Eshese, Omekobat, the National Secretariat of MPP. The National Secretariat, no. And so yeah, Juma. The make us just in from Poku Diamo Juma say. The timely intervention. All said about 20 query now areas are disputes ebano. When you Bianca Sancho when a dear Nibrenba. Because some time ago, the problem and MPP tell power constituency say Bibia Sikra Kwabama, and you want to hear. And sometimes you don't know, so will report it. And now, oh yeah, you have no fair idea. But now, the steering committee, Nankasane, the secretariat, actually, who say area way, dear. I'll say a 24. Area way, I'll say steering committee, no, a review. So that is fantastic. And the timer, omu communicating, no, on point. And they say, no, Bantama, only say you have not been neglected. At least you have a steering committee at so. You get it? Yes. Only say enquire kwa say there will be agitation, but at least you have say you have a place like Adanse Asokwa, and so the course yen or Asante Achim Central, and you also have Efija Seche East. Now, Anra. At a point, let me through. Our Efija Seche. Edru Babino, now Efija Seche is one. Police phone have to do what they have to do. Now, baby, I'm show you tuna. To go from to be Massa, pavilion, mommy. Edru Baby was like, what is going on? About wo. Yenimsa about to be any wa. Ubenyane 100% debi. But about to do baby na gun involved, shooting incidents and all that. Ayana and they bomb me who kakra power is to because of a kateche frifa a hot nana tension in yina ababijina. It is alleged oh Jose and go phobia on ma or more printing on ballot papers. That's allegations are not yet it. So in Funi B, MPC B, these are allegations. And I'm happy say the National Steering Committee will be sitting on this situation. I'm very happy on that. But I was concerned, say, and I have to say this, Kateche Frifa should be careful with his own life. Kateche Frifa should be very careful with his own life. We are young. And then your own security a prime. Edu abatwa your fashions we fashioni. Enti sende wo ni me ho a me ye obone a me ndwen ho. Me ye obone a me ndwen ho. And your own security is prime. Because enchaye ana Yankopon hye wanimonyam. Ana wokọ abroche koye o masters in law. Ana waba. So a glory. But then what happened there? No, we see what happens at Isa area. Ana nyamia mfa kwam ana trigger yana pain. Asa ura wo emo bia me dada o empanfo bebe we yase aba besu batokọ. So Kateche Frifa should be very careful with his own life. We are who bema bebra ya kunjaw. This is in your own backyard. Wa ufie mponye. Na ekobase eye MPP and DC what will happen. I was so sad to see the effort of Brante and the Gumumo party and blastings all over the shirt. I am told, sir, on your cat when chimneys and about your whatever. Because I was wondering why Emoja was stained with blood. Your own life is important. We are who bema bebra, ye pon ejaw. We are who bema bebra, ye kunjaw. We are who bema bebra, ye kunjaw. And I will be very, I would Kateche say, he has to be very careful about what dra a yani bre. Ghana high one day, about to anya good you. Yabato a yani bre. Because people have invested. Hey, Krachi bina not for Musuno. Shani video mami, or for Musu say, nipa 1,000 plus. When Jessica mo bia election ube lucy. And people have invested. Yes, baby, I come out who invest. And to one share now for a year. King Clay not when you so. And a young man with a promising future. This shouldn't happen. So you have to be very careful. You have a very bright future. I also Kateche Frifa, oh you're careful. Oh you're who bema bebraja kunjau. You have to be very careful. Cause Namian Monyama washa wakwa brocha kwa law or scholarship and yet better just obi on academics as it. But Obana Bembran to Asama, and Rantiana, Ebiania Brinomus to the level say blastings all over. All over. How come there? Yeah, yes, and 12 way be my cat just say, Mekoya undercover and a teacher, yeah, hanko famous, so may it's not a Ibia mammy. But to the point to say, Ube bleeded ye. Also be because I chill. Something should be going through your mind. You should be thinking of something. So one, it's just an advice. Say Katechia free for your whole life is important. Where you MPP and DC, where you MPP. About what year? Edru. Shonhusu ye. You have an ambition, yes, it's understandable. Obiati asye say bibia obey be free abon no so yes shisha nyoma ba also hweye yes shisha ya ba be to primaries na akoyi amount. I understand. But the SC, you know, it should talk to us. Also can yama bebre echreyen. Cause about to dra e abusua de no so enibre ana obia ewom. What? Me chama ko na Sara coordinator o masa ono onya sa nyoma we o. Wa hihye ne nyoma na oguso. Alaji bua. Hihye ne nyoma wo dem abato ne de baza. Eye day before. Once hihye nyoma aba bedru grounds na fa say rapture. So hihye now then you look for nkofo we trustworthy so mbehwe baby constituency no sense polling station no obi abego baby a ubon so oye vigilant. Na niada ho dia bro so police for ho steering committee ho observers in ho then you report. That is how things should be done. Tianra no ya da yakopon ase sa abato na aba so anope that's the information I have given you. Say about 88.5% there MPP for team dia kwakugo. There are few areas I be a court injunction, interlocutory injunction by Menchiano, Sunyani East, and other areas, other places in the crying to say, baby old man, Trobumoni, Yimo, or Boasimo baby care too. But last hour, no day, a common information, common say, Montomo. Na, and Yama and Shasi Afufro, Tihono. There are about 23 places. However, four, including Bantama. As is almost almost steering committee, Eddie Omani Ebabe, na Yahudi Ebeo. So, you know, it wasn't bad. It was peaceful. Looking at the percentage, a few areas now, Eja, Unyan Pepepe. But I'll probably catch you see a bedding commo na. Ami aduma battery ikosu di ebeko so na yedin komo Sheikh Basit Mohammed on the olim ne dada this bia uni region very hard working Ekwa Ashanti regional Nasara organizer na nyame boa nyoma nyina eba ba hye so momfa Sheikh flyer na ento so emame anopa mini ne bedin komo ne ahwe so far said the adwumadie no grounds enso esi ko Sheikh anopa machi. Salamu alaikum. So Mike and Mammy, man so green. Good one.
Yeah.
Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Kwa lafia.
Lafia.
I form to say,
oh, bibia the D.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Me sure pa. Say, obia waye ejumani bi pen no. Wonim say the see ejumano. Ena uwo system no mu so na se amanfo animu a enim modimbo a wo bo a eno na ma efom ye fema o enti efom de mi shada ne problem na election so e wo dynamics ekwewi ye no na bia bibi betimi asisa de abati yesu ye tutu no ma yi se de be ya se ne ya sha ase no ye beko yenim ye beko akowie no na bibia eye solid. Na di kai ma menchia ya womo amohwe wo Sompa TV anapai na matcha me constituency executives chama Rambo eni womo amo akanyina no na matcha womo na matcha Santimai Kuka Dr. Odin Kwakwapia ya na mechiana
Santimai Kuka
yeah we ni papa no say me Nasara organizer for Ultafu constituency currently me na me was ena obi a wasumbia for the past 8 years we a constituency executive there say onima Santimai Kuka uhuno because wahwe ye Nasara for edru echurabrim edru salatam wahwe sansuna edu Christmas wo ma Christopher no mani a year yedi ma yina na wasa kai enso ayeden aka ho wahwe yi for the past 8 years no na yenya individual we party ba wo wa sentiment mu a wotimi hwe executive sa nti e betena sia say etimi kan ho nsam na amonfo hu nipa oye nyankopo ye na adom so na se oba minim se obehwe ye yi pa wallahi na me no me di kan me ye frame Abdul Basit Mohammed
my honor maybe so people know you omudi mudin maybe I say Basit Dean from I think Tafo, right?
Yeah.
What Tafo now, right?
Yeah.
But yen realm wan kasa no wo ye kwan na fe oba MPP ma e den brand one bo mu a and you be so ko wanim.
Yeah, me pacho de di kan me Abdul Basit mini afa radio aye ejuma about 10 years no me Islamic section bibia kremofo ewo no me di hu akotini wo nti ama mini zungufo aye wa sentiment mu ha ene ahemfo malamfo nyina enam se Islamic lectures a omo ba ho nyina no me na me hwe omo etimi host omo nti ama me no obia eye fine ewo zungu ha mini omo na eye ejuma ewo zungu obia nim sanso na party no mu aye wo no ne dikan esese osum ansa na watimi akoenim masum from polling station executive na me polling station organizer masalachi polling station ye for 745 ti me ejuma ma ye bia
now 745
yeah polling station na me organizer
sir
yes enti enu echi na me huri be electoral area coordinator for Santem electoral area coordinator no polling station dudo na so ewozongo afa enti me ye ejuma wo ho 8 good years na me coordinator for Santem electoral area enu echi me be ye deputy Nasara organizer for the constituency and me be substantive Nasara organizer for the constituency wo hwa masoma ansana me be ye constituency officer na Nasara ku no by since 2005 na me join Nasara ku no in that time no party na NG Nasara enka system no yeah enti ye no Nasara club enti ye na ye boaboa ye ho na ye me na me Tafo representative a ewokrum in 2010 na ye GA 2 mo a ye ka executives no na election first regional Nasara organizer oba Ashanti region ye friend Alhaji Zingi meaning the D akotini ye Ashanti region that time na 39 constituency na Ashanti region meaning the chini ena nyankopo ya na adom mane weni ye na oye me personal assistant because that time no deputies in count enti encounter nti bibia esese youth anase organization bia no menene na nama wode mi ayesa position no ase constituency bia ni asentiment mo amanko kra na be 5 times yes sansuna current Nasara organizer ya wosui Salim Bamba oba ye no na that time ye deputy Nasara organizer ena ye de ni breme say unia say opese o contest as a Ashanti original Nasara buano na onko because amanfo hu experience amanya afiri Alhaji Zigio enti omu ji tu say semikwa minim various constituency letimi a lead no edina ko
because he was the pioneer
yeah enti Salim Ebano me na menino nanti the whole 47 constituency no because Salim can send me no echreme na me nso me pese amanfo hu se Nasara no a ye dia breye no ese se enya omo enim die wosoro etimi ewumu bi na ye nso ayo experience no ye this tawo mu echi na etimi ye Nasara ejuma no se de be ya ye betimi adeliver the party ni hia ma ye se esese ye den ye deliver no enti Salim Bamba one constituency apart from ejura na wonko bi da yes ubetimi afre na abosa de bia oka wonu kra ka enye ya timini na chi do 47 because obi na no nsama wo ka no na esese me di na chi minim say adepa ewo ne mu manyini si fa but madina chi
that and now so opportunity and capital
met amount for class say me nko
yeah because we are here
yeah amount for say me nko me see enye me tamu ni
wow
yes enye me tamu ni elections are wo call origin me makobi madi amount for echi ayeden yakọ enti experience minim say salim buy no resources cry ekura no me enkura me enti se me wadwin bi ho a ese me di ta na echi no ko na garden no otimi ye ejuma no
okay
ye ko ye nso nyankopo ye adom ema wo wi ni wono nso wi ni ye me no suggest me say o person me ni deputy
oh wow
but na me enka me hihye yo minim say me boa minim say deputy eyi no enye wono na ejuma regional executive leading by chairman Nejuma but was suggest we say party ni jituma enu de enye problem enti was suggest me party ni na ajetum ena chama unji you guys no the aye no wonu salim the background for ejura the family na we ejura hoye ofan constituency anya ofan constituency we ejura esese enya ofan constituency so Kumasi greater Kumasi ena omukoyi obi efiri aswansi
that was purely on demography say baby or one yentimi nya the same
enti yenhwe na yenye ne sa ena omuye ne sa
the same na ofa no
me fan say okay because ade ani see no Salem ni me any council of ulama and imams secretary I was sentiment any regional imam that time on wo mama executive unity say ejuma no ye di shemi sa me na metimi aye but regional chairman aka no na say me fan sa me constituency me na sa organizer adenti na me mfa ma adwen emma me constituency embe ejuma the here ni say party ne be den ebekoso emunti na ma ene manye regional deputy
I see
Ade Akye na ehaye emunti na me den me ba ha say me pese me ko for Ashanti regional Nasara organizer wo mo a mo ba ye no ye ba ye nipa miensa na be original Nasara organizer Alhaji Zingi ko ye no Mr Mohammed Ebaye ansa na Salim Eba wo mo miensa ni na obi an serve as a constituency Nasara organizer da
so be any base no touch with the base
enti constituency no problems no a hono dynamics dudu na omo shada ennim but ya serve as a Nasara organizers constituency ye no omo hia ye no omo di nkomo obia situation a various constituency no ye ehu experience me titafo me Nasara organizer tafo me so me fa motorbike me di 1 hour me chi me constituency na awie me fe tira na maba adabaka na maba tafu na maba abed na mako ahimbro na maba tafu zongo ishayesu asa me di 2 hours me constituency no ayeden asa but se uko adanse akrofom uko adanse asokwa uko new edubiase uko asante achim uko afanu south north uko ejura dynamics no different uko setra from place setra from place yo krobi oha wo mo ho a untime mfa drobo so enko gise ubewechi befa ejura na uko enti se uhwe sa constituency na different say uhwe swami constituency sanso na uhwe sa swami constituency a different say udi hwe tafo constituency enti dynamics ehu binya say this time no say ye to ayi obi a we Nasara organizer for the region ye you obi a wa serve as a constituency Nasara organizer da na watimi akoye ejuma na yeden ama party no ena de to su mi no ye bibi wo ho a ha ye party ni yi pa ye party no ye ko 2024 abai ade a haye bibri puli collation centers ayewo collation centers we two abani wie ye no ye opponent NDC nkrofo a mo atwe mo abegu collation centers no ye kura eye stronghold no ye kra a strong rule yentimi control a strong rule because nkrofo na ye den agiafa even tafo akra no na ye kra no a strong rule yentimi ngi ye uber connections wo mo declare wo mo kra se wo mo awene because yentimi control uhwe a wo mo ye sign na so dudu na MPP for zongufo
okay
edima ndc fo na ye nso ye wona sara ye zongufo na ye si ye pe party na ye hu se ebinumu ye bibi se how come say ye ntimi organize ye hu enso enkanta
and they didn't organize them
yeah this organization oh but una nasara organizer ejuma na nkasa no a ni kai asudi kese na nkasa original organizer nsa
exactly
but meji santu ni bi because me mission ase wono na man ejuma aye enti mesre no na sai ejuma no magi aka ma ejuma ho me kai say 2009 yeko e chief on by elections you could be I from Alawada papa mpinifo bi na omo atiku ni na me kan na me omo youth organizer zongo professionals bi
okay
doctors ni malam for ni teachers no na omo ati nti me yese meko chief on wo me yese omo beboa me kakra amako me kono me fa men fi Kumasi more than 20 yes 2009
ayewo
but enti wamua
na only regional position cry
na that time cry na me constituency position na me youth constituency youth polling station organizer
okay
ye ko hono that time at the quentia who say call chief on shooting bi ebaye
yeah I remember
adia ema ebaye ni ye ko no so ye contem because you call as a 5 days or 6 days to the elections. You about Chromon, so no Chromon, Bia and Nicromo. Say Uko, excuse me, say Uko Hosis here, Ovekazi will be our cry Nicromo this time. Occasion Bia in yon. And you could do Chromon, Naya who say Aho Aba. And a ordinary Aho, so you said a CTM. Omunim say enti no omo hwe bibia ebeko ye omo vice chairman be a friend Mr. Baba
okay
yes wono no me fie na wo park na ye koye shoot no ufa park no so den eko ni fie na ekosia ye enti ye koye no dwumadi aye na de tie na azuka boys so den e bae the following day na omo di men bi bae omo si omo national security for enti ye be bia ye fa bia no na omu di echi enti na ohinto na na ohinto then general secretary na minority chief whip former Suhum MP Opariansa yeah na Bugui na Abu former Northern Regional Chairman that time na on be chairman kra Bugui na on be chairman but enam say about to na ye betu enu kro fo mu na ye betu nti party ni share that ni buy say won be boa campaign ho mini men ni sawo mu enenam that time Anita disoso mu ye de ka fa ha na omu di echi ye de enti shooting ye na ye target wo mu a mu free in crime ba ya omu ye omu se omu ye BNI omu ye national security no wo mu ba wo mu de wo mu ejuma ni se omu be ba de stop ye enu nti na sada na ye rally no na de bia omu kwa koye omu rally no kra na ehu nya se anka omu be kwa koye but we more because a hono MPP chairman fee enim MPP for bia so eben FM eko etu be rally o NDC awu ni se obeka
yentopa na ope
me musu na tututu no ena Abubakar nipa bebre ena professor free pombo ati efro ambulance yedi microphone gum edi wo call yendi ena okoye surgery
now
TV3 capture me na me wo ho enti obi ka se obi a obetimi aye ejuma aboa e constituency yes meaning me ko buy election we ye ka bamba boys no bamba edi nkrofo men buy but ye ni nkrofo ni ye ko ye na okru ni ko ye hihihie mumusa lawyer atachia ye ko etiwa buy election lawyer atachia edwane ko police station ko report no se ye nchi ntum ye follow no police station say one bra outside obi antimi yan hwe that time krobi or mosi e fe o kwade say dey na later the so the car afa MPP for eso dey oho yampene amom enti e bedru police station a lawyer attach here protection ye na eyi ni ba outside because ye call police station okra police me ni pe e no o mutimi protect no NDC for no bo room a o mo betwi ni na akọ outside enti a experience no minim ena party ejuma bebre normal ye be ubeye regional executive for what be officer what be regional officer o hihye normal with them na wo di appear abonti normal do so de be ye no ye ntimi nka ho asem first so na efi say NDC stronghold wa Ashanti region ejura new edubiase ena aswasi se apan
Adana
upon when say ukodrobon so a front place a nordness any zongo for any dosu ho
a front place
yes ukwa settlers in kwane go but ya dwi enye den enko uko ahafanu southeast southwest ahafanu north ubekunu settlers in kwane go say corporate say e okra yesuen seat ema MPP ni NDC because omo feel no aba no omo akotena o enam galamse ejuma any family no na omo ina akwe ma enya won say ye beto aba wa akrofo na esi MPP asante akrofo MPP alusu adanse asokwa adanse asokwa MPP alusu wan mu na eto aba ema NDC ho settlers enti amafo adwua fi omo so but me no madwua omo so say adie no enya we kra na omo we ni enam so omo do so ho na omo de eni edi ye yi no say MPP ye lose kakra bia
no mo afam
no mo di afam enya won say
because say the MPP lose touch with the base e ho no
oh no
I'm feeling
Debbie. Ya nya omo agina omo na nso aye vigilant ama ye collation centers no ti na omo aye normal was a hwe Obuasi East ya ma ye ni ambre ho a si anka omo age even afano southwest say omo declare omo say omo age southeast say omo age sound anka omo na ya ka say eme bebi aye MPP Ashanti Region 47 constituency ayeron na MPP Ashanti Region ene seat 42 seats eya enuntina mi kase ye hwe ni na ye hu experience am won na e ma ni sa akwenya no na hihye na sa no kwai bia mu ankasa no nana kwame midonyame
I like the one so mention say
no man you be share your form
mention them and
my implementing the above onti yes.
Now do you think say with the current situation in Ashanti region obianim say anya hwe Ashanti region there a World Bank for NPP but last election there are a lot of things that happened Edru baby na man forecast NDC is gaining grounds in Ashanti region. Omaya amana yefe. They are involving a lot of youth. And the people from Zongo communities are baby a woni chire. Be proud to this election na be MPP. But election in here said they have swing back to NDC. And then a wo ba Sheikh Uba ya found.
No class sama e wo mu say elections a year 2024 no NDC wo mo anye ni grounds bia o
omo anye ni grounds ago ba fa
MPP ena aye lose ena omo no atiaba from because of power no aye wo no amanfo bibiri ebinumu edi abufuo ni no ma bi enye de ye nyina aye wo mu no saa abufuo no ye kase ye fa anka ye nyina akura no e be free party no but amount for my power no your mode ena emani basa because ukoshe NDC vote our munyaye 2020 any vote our munyaye 2024 no bibia no a ebe kan wo mu vote our munya dadan but wo mu percentage ni ye den ekoso ye mfa say tafu last elections yenya 40 something thousand yenya 40 something thousand and NDC and 15,000 oh this year this election I call 2024 tafo yenya 32,000
yeah that's true
na NDC 16,000 na onya ye no eno ana onya ye
yeah
enti money bo be na oboy
so mama dia mo so mama modi
ye na ya mapawa na ye de ama amanfo bu afue any internal party crisis the air constituency area me kai ye ko constituency election adia amanfo bi eye ensem fata so adia na omo ye no so mo anhwe yi a wo mo serve wo mo interest enye party ni interest yes you ni adu say be serve party ni interest say dey be a dey party ni be den e be ba power me na Sara coordinator for Old Tafo no me ko elections your polling station bi a ya select wo mo say polling station we ye here vote see wo ye here vote see wo ye here vote see wo the bia me e de ma me bia no ye vote ni ye kota na o me de ma ye no ye nya ye mane kosoro but the bia ye lusu mo
yeah
mo a wo mo ye strong base an kasana wo mu bu ofufu eni ni bia asisi a ya ntimi anso anu anyene ye ko election polling station executives kura o fe wo mo se wo mu ndande party ejuma unhu wo mo
they were aggrieved
yeah
and this uncle for no bar because why wouldn't say uncle for polling stage won't be catch it
yeah
say shake ade we the ade na dro no ya bra ye hu hwe and this time round no it looks like the dynamics are changing
yeah
and this is for bar no they are getting in touch with the youth more. They say coming back, better second. Say I like the way I can say the dynamics keep changing.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this current dynamics, Eba? Because of all for Ujo with baby, I agree.
Maminka Sancho, yenu yenim wamu youth wamu education wamu nursing wamu various government institutions wamu MPP for even nipa ne pe transfer kura no a onya ma no obe hu se nipa no enya transfer di kura obetimi abenwa aboa we duma kura no penyi a woni ni be kasa kura no demand bibi ansana amma safo no untimi nkonim enko ka kire se won brambe dey won brambe juma meaning Arabic teachers bibria or more Islamic schools wo mo ye MPP for a yan fi wo mo make come na atiabo
okay
me were nurses o hwe your backgrounds no wo mo amukọ tertiary no zongofo bibre ejo no tescom wo mo ne wo mo ye ejuma wo mo ba fi a ejuma nya eni no ma esese wo mo nya party no power so antimi amwa mo party no still wo mo do party no wo mo party no but ejuma esese wo mo ye ebua party no wo mo ntimi enye enti yebehwe na ya ka omo unity abom especially nurses no kwanya ombe faso aji nkrofo hospital enu omo akasa ye ma minimum a omo ba hospital so no kwanya ombe faso ni omo adi nkitahodi na omo anya omo adwi enu omo adi nkomo oye nipa ne papa time bia obe ka asem bia kire no a oti sanso na nkola no omo secondary school no a omo anyina omo kwakọ to aba no Arabic teachers any Islamic teachers na omo kire womo Americans wo amucha dey various schools no a yenim se womo MPP no yenim kwanya ye be fa so ama womo handling kola na amaye especially zongo for no amuko secondary school zongo for no asama no cry wo mu say first na zongo school no kono na e wo fom this time nanado edi free CHS buy no e ma dudu okoye pa ena onkola no so a womo zongo dudu na eco school eco enimu a where MDC was on when ya court tertiary pe wotimi kan etrope na adwe no se 10 ne be kwa ube wo se 3 ne be ba o me MDC for the akani na no so wo me MPP nature say ye here education e zongo communities no say the be ya dynamics no e be sisa ma wo mo say MPP party ni nye party boy ni ya me target e youth no e na ofa malen for so a me Islamic income for your sectors
and a man for sending message fans
your sectors bebre sa sectors no wo mu yina me no mo fine okay Shia community Muslim community me no mo fa uba alesuna even omo national imam ikra okoka asentia na bukra ekra na epacho na polisi on peninsu e panacho say ebe ya relationship no ebe da ho na regional imam. Okay. Imams conference the whole Ghana or executive secretary as mema eno yene ni na e kapom ABB baako sanso na ahemfu bia yo mu wa ha bia no eyi programs a omo ye dodo na akra no mina me moderate den ema omo me ni omo fine ntimi nim say me be ye original nasara coordinator metimi aboa from na me ni mpini for say we timi be campaign boa ye kra no a ye de be hye na adwum say okwa onko tuma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia say de be ya nkunimdie betimi aba 2028 no yeah
message say ban say zongo community what the all fans all pass it okay the everyone me am mo akenkan bi you say all fans all come and fine na o say adenti na o sha say o bo kokedi me say adenti na me bo kokedi also here Nasara adenti na o vouch for him
yes sir
but nipa na can say in a positive way or say the good go for the good. I'm not surprised Basit is mentioning Chairman Koke's name. These two this pair will be helpful to Ashanti region MPP.
Koka me boni dia dia meka no enya se meka atwantra na se media pay interest bi obi biara we ceremony a we constituency officer biara no for the past 4 years no when nim say Koka boy we officer nkoadia say what the meeting as sanso na other executives no so wo monso nim say Koka boy say ye dey kra direct to Muslims nkoa edu etam but edu Christians dey na wo ka bom ma yenyina na ya sa benefit bio yes ye kom say ni salary so nipa ya papa danasi nebo na baso one danasi ase nyankopo ye wa on danasi ntina mi danasi men kan si ominya se obey Richard Chama mepe because mesomo
okay
ejuma na
na so but does it but Sid is very dynamic young old but has a youthful mind. He's going to add a lot that the Zongo community is going to see a massive change. Basit, we love you. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Ahmed Aziz. And anyway, and so about messages in the dorsal. But unfortunately, memory and answer. But me Musa say a dang pa now be a strong. Say na me boa inshallah. Now omoto abamao as Nasara coordinator in the region. Then I'll be different.
Nasara organizers na yewa Ashanti region ninyi na abum bibi baku na mama obia ahu ejuma esese woye ewo ne constituency obi biara nso a we Nasara coordinator bia no nso mema no Nasara task force member baku na wa be trainee nkrofo a omo ho a omo ye MPP for no na wode omo aka task force no na ya arrange o me ka say the task force no ejuma omo be ye a day of elections ejuma omo ye ba ko pay anapa omo ni MP member ye candidate a obegina ama ye na benanti bo 5 omo ni na e ba collation center omo ejuma no enti ye betiti wo mo election nkwa na sada no nkwa na wo me ejuma kwan bia nso a ye be fa so ape ya pe resources a resource wo mo ama ya ye di no wo be wu different Nasara ewo ye party no mo ye ejuma ne ye organization ye share women's organizer asi ye share youth organizer asi because zongo so ye youth ho ye man so ho ni nyina no ye organize wo a obia esese efrel na oni wo bedi nkitawodi na che wo no ma esese wo ye se de be ya vote be koso bia no inshallah we will have difference.
Sheikh Basit Mohammed Ashanti Regional Nasara organizer hopeful anope ye dasi so by we show the very best. Yameboa say moto nda ben
ye betu me 8-9 August mobile
okay tianya there August
yes
all right
nyankopo ya do mo si Wednesday na yembe fa forms no ye be bi
Wednesday na abeko
Wednesday na kwa mi no pese o de ka beti no wa
fans, I hope that fans the be buy into fusion that what my it looks the community you trust woman. I hope so very now when so for months na people are aggrieved message in the brave or boss in now going but me better make but the GDA woman no I hope say Allah adaruma on be the right thing now also so baby also we see no we see no abeboa MPP the teaching zongo community that's it baby that's it na sure never said in common never said in common till Wednesday ana woko akofa o kwa odi alert yen na ehu de be thank you so much all right so ehu so ana ya adwuma anopai ba me kan for OCP fertilizer na me kan for the amount sa season na do we no buy no udua vegetables onion garden next pepper tomatoes onya fertilizer OCP fertilizer 15 mo amodua vegetables no mo nya 15 ana 10 na ye adwuma baako mo amodua ammonia buro no so mo hia OCP fertilizer 10 ana 15 mo amodua legumes no legume for no de mo nya OCP fertilizer friend TSP anopai bomodia ne ko bebia drug ye friend say agrochemical shop bia wo bia ana se bebia ton fertilizer bia hoye kama omuton yo mapapa de also nya OCP fertilizer ni bi ho 0555 909437 0345 909437 0345 909437 and 0345 909433 OCP fertilizer and operator go ahead by Mr. Semen Kancho say wo be ma sem ni enimu impotence de ya de bebu enu masse eti an erectile misfunction impotence de ya de say emu akra be ma woni atenka low libido oba so woni atenka aroso ya de bra na ya mata go ahead by Mr. Ibe infections ana hawa o ya ta go ahead by Mr. and the capsules your drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop bia obeja be 0243228296 0243228296 na anope bomodia na jeta go herbal Mr. clinics ne doors ne ba herbal clinica jaje watum se onim de wogira brane na ohwa ma yade na sia tukra dia 21st clinic na ye expert in sciatica ne dey say osisi achi etwewa besu onai koko na achi sa no ye nerves ne on the sciatica nerves ho ka eche say yade kese bi bandu so anu ntem we symptom eche say yade kese ana eba enti bra 21st clinic na no pay yen hwew na ho ntɔ prekupe ya branches in the doors over 15 branches offer numbers ya offer baby a bell na ya mo wako 0540311311 0540311311 and 0249311311 a 21st clinic come here sciatica expert who Ashanti region Kumasi na person about 21st clinic ya wa overseas dabrakahan ya ene afa radio na ben so omu ane wo form na Sompa TV Sompa FM wosro obo asemo ko cancel cortes Court Junction sanso na bo nkan Mama Tantra Hill ho ane ye hwemo boso amosunya ni teaching hospital Kane regional hospital no ye ne first gate in the bo edi animhwe ye o mado sabro say nim brag nkransa enso so ba be hu ye ho ye ben children's park ne sanso na tachiman ye wo GN bank da animu for 0249311311 21st clinic ya die bia se wonam na hihyew root job se moko se mensi sensi so postrate wonsam bra na nyaminti ye wo mfidia ye de diagnose nipa ani wo mfidia ye de se sayade na wo amoko election ya mo bre mo sa lusu mesra mu a enya mo foso mo mra ne massage mo wan hwe a wo nam hwa na ko amanfo sika kampa fear delegates in fact of a clepa amount of money my fear delegates now no so last hour ko bi gofo bi bonigumbi na we me wo hwa ne from Nkwantabisa hey onipa no agenda me friend so of Arabs akwa tiate OCP for Adaroba no pay yet twice the about the first clinic Adaroba muso say asene so also that go here ba Mr. Roman father drone ya father Martin say ba Mr. na akofa ba Roman father drone and pay ohona mayo chichichi numbness anyhow stroke anyhow and as a body pain ohona me ombre now honam to pressure diabetes and yade ayako anko unya Roman father ne drone for 0247 919-122 0247-919-122 and 0552668517 Roman father draw or drug store pharmacy shop herbal shop beer kopebi na no pay bobo RSYD no VG studio Malama Bia say one client first Kokoko Street Hona be RSYD no VG studio so Ghana have an nyina ofra babia wo bia beba no ye adwuma 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822 RSYD no VG studios e de ne ye yani all professional videographers anyone now will travel for you and need daho or movie be and now film and now music video bia bra you instead of the act facility studio papa bi ayi big trawa mo say yes streaming anniversary person broadcasting podcast na ya offer ni nyina ya beba na ya assist frey na no pay ya new and create something together. Sir IB Ibrahim Mubarak Salifu anopay ewofia ha Kasama the municipal chief executive Mampong Salifu Sanwano Mampong hore ya na to bi ani Mampong ya na bomi obudate bitimpa ba ko wose yo asukoro Mampong ba Mampong ankasa de kunim what they say. I love that, please. We're into presidential staffer, Ashanti Regional NDC member, MAPA. That's for my chain. I've been okay, but so Mike now, Sabi Betunka.
That is the common name.
That is fine. You would into the open line at the mom. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ambrasi medasi so aba. Afei wo fa Cletus Abraham. Wo bebo. Onka go na banam si really. Wo bebo.
Nkwantabisa anopai
Saturday.
I say ya bad ni aba Nkwantabisa ya ba ni aba.
Yeah, we got election broken heart.
Oh, Nkwantabisa anopai madasi na amama kwanya de medias da ai dikan pass da PSA e de ama otwedi aponyankopon. Sanse na Nkwantabisa me start me agenda no. Everything that has happened along the line biano divine miracles and assessment medias da ma otwedi aponyankopon sanse me Timothy so akonya badie hwihwi anajo ene na sefo mu ina no manyare da
No correct.
within 1.5 year ya me start ya den manyare da moto so ametikoba me diet cramp time kwase sanyi na mu no me de aseda mo otwede amponyankopon so wabɔ me ho ban me etoso me yenu so meda Oforukrom constituency elections committee a omehwe elections no so no madam assistant say elections are free and fair a pija constituency ne part ni din because me hwe enyama koso other constituencies ni ma bia yetitiri ni yehunu now hwe se ne Oforukrom constituency elections ni very peaceful na say yada elections committee so ase election committee no from polling station the pem constituency there no ya mame Hajia Zainab edimu akotene pa or ya regional treasurer on na baba da no for polling station there electoral area there constituency the strong as secretary and Dr. Audu Rauf so be constituency no the no che and wachi e be sounds wonder a member of parliament honorable Michael Kwesi Edo so ase san say ono na constituency no nsa na ohwe sene a asomdwe e ba nyina no minim se ne nsa wo mu bi pa na sa asomdwe ne timi ba ye award the process no mu nyina no na mada minyamu miensa ka me ho a ye call contest meda o mo asepa san say so all the 11 portfolios here ye call ye now the youth organizer position no and now who say contest very very clean
contest, yeah.
It was clearly contested but it was cleanly done yeah very very cleaner the boy minimum say come on about so papa say other contest now who there was some smear campaign allegations and false accusations but youth organizer there no there's no single person now or say ye nipa fo no be ko gya baabi ka obi ho asembone bi ada enti ebeda yeso ye ho ase na me de congratulations kase pa e de ama menu a ore ne ye Edward Ansa
okay
na akache nyame emma no nimdie ne nyansa ne akukudo ne ahoden ne bibi bi obehia bia ode be ye adwuma na boaboa mabuna no wo constituency no no nyankopɔ won fa ndom no na ma se the boss me of akle mani so ade ho na esi mani so a enu ntina me pese me di mabuna num no me ma sa ni so ade ho no enkonko da kwa me de ni na ba beboa no na ya ye amana ye fesan se na ye nyina ye ni so ade ho ye ba ko se ba boa bo mabuna no there say ekwan a na enya pese ye fa so no na obi a de different enu nti wa we no me shane boss of akle me de nim de minyansa mahode ade bia wo mu bia betimi de aboa no ametima aboa mabuna no wo constituency no ama 2028 ya ene ye target no yetima din kunim ne beye say the elephant is the winning symbol and the MPP is all that we have and into for you constituency is going to work and work well
of our say
now
how are you feeling
now but I am in high spirits
psychologically what cycle
high spirits the first 7 minutes after say bobo abano I know the Kwatebisa me nipa na better and after 7 minutes I gathered a certain confidence and vim and I took solace from a Bible verse. Say, horses are prepared for battle, but victory cometh from the Lord. And no shame in crying. No any Bible verse here in the 7 minutes time. 7 minutes time. 7 minutes time. Okay.
Better luck next time.
Sure.
Better luck.
The vision.
I think you didn't do bad. Looking at the numbers, you didn't do bad.
I lost by 91 votes.
91
votes.
And you didn't do bad.
Kwatebisa, I'm not come back to go and thank the constituency in Senya. But get to Abuano. Senya me call Mona so question Mutumi no. That's how come Mona.
And a mama special treat because of election. Now Sika Sam so your senior form kakra. Alright, all they say better luck next time. You did your best, and your people think it didn't was a call, but the future is still bright. Next time, we'll best Ivy, my member also na yada say we were about to eat. Only also koi da oba kwa akoshisha so awie die na wabeda ne nkofo asi yenko na eni ko mami musa say how did you see a year MPP about to ni na ye die prelims yam fanchas here on all the 276 constituencies 23 is on hold 4 was steering committee ni mo mu hwehwem en se pinche bantama babia ayiwe Kateche Free Farm Agonamu, all this place. Say was steering committee.
Oh, they say I'm going to come.
Oh, really?
Agona they say Uchuma Agona now come.
I oh, I feel my brother. Yeah, that's true.
And then they die big time no.
Yeah.
My main first acquisition I acknowledge Sompa TV FM. My station my follow Ache and no printing and more some asantimai. Na more some asantimai some pans so.
Yeah, that's
it. Na my main chair the presidential staff of the region. Honorable Isham Yawisham Al Hassan Bunsu. On one the double as the political coordinator of the region. And the NDC regional organizer. Meno Kasei Oba as the regional chairman.
Hey. Sham, yeah. Yes. Sham, yeah. It's true.
Sham,
it's true. I'm
aware. The regional chairman. I'm aware. Grassroots income of man to me. Obey Juma. I'm a grassroots no. I found into my part of na me chairman boss. Me to me my education is na me chairman boss. Honorable Yaku Isifu.
Yeah.
The municipal chief executive of Mampong, cameras about Mampong.
Oh yeah.
For the first time, Kunum. So when I'm one man at Joa, one shall I be also the sign and Kani and Kwan.
Also, Obama may emphasize, say,
yes,
Kunum.
Yes. Now I'm in charge of constituency chairman, Chairman Camel, Onona or a constituency chairman of the NDC for Mampong constituency. Anna MPP Assembly. Enka say I be the enka fan ho then so the bian some ameta can say MPP for mo kwa presidential candidate and as mo parliamentary candidate so we NDC nya international enka wonsan no bo enka say enfa ho because so we presidential candidate as any panel we a potential president decision you obey take it will affect you as a citizen. So we parliamentary candidate say we pursue us na side panel wa or a potential MP decision be obey taking e be affect you as a person and then council a noble but me man yako election be
yako I do odi bibi ewu
election I see what you call so election ulusu a ye de daw
papa
ye we yi man because a more we need pass it or can say the first 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Not enough from it. Better luck next time. Me and Kasan, so I'll be going for an election.
Okay,
I'll be going for constituency communication officer.
Okay.
Hopeful Mampo.
Okay.
And we'll GDA. Na me say me so or the empire go better time na maybe kunim. They may be a Mampo.
Only a Mampo sheriff.
So and MPP as a political party and a million eti I am a type besides and this is MPP no meaning I am you show studio last time one of my sister TV station beside my colleague is a meaning MPP crowd film over because MPP no utie area Professor Frimpong Boatia wa my atia say MPP no to see an A2 original MPP wo and a mania fake MPP as I make it in according to Papa no so we share omo era no MPP no the current MPP na wo hono na the new say the MPP has turned to be a body friend a syphilis party a party initri on paper no there is a leader but on the grounds there's no leader ubehu side there no from omo internal elections here is see happy uni ebra MPP ba be call elections no omo yes omo flag bearer NDC for a catch up say that approaching is wrong. Me and Kasa personally I remember them many MP people be no media and me catch up say that approach is wrong because we do not board down so answer na wa beto foundation. Omanti and then so we share normal air conwa. It tells that they are not ready. The MPP don't even believe in democracy even within more internal elections no. You don't believe in democracy. But almost how to be democratic. But look at the processor. MPP for NM. Also, can I say, why would we say Sikasem? the monetary politics are you women obi anim say MPP for can introduce into monetary politics. What you are saying and say obotumu ye do a MPP mu no.
On what base? On what grounds na dey kasa?
Okay. Every media person be our mind you know. Say any internal MPP elections, you will find say the sika share envelope amount for pictures in phone these envelopes echi. Na Nkwantabisa the way can what I say. And on that basis no monetary elections.
Is it only the MPP?
That is what I'm saying. Say it's not only the MPP. If I sit here and say if it's only the MPP, that would be hypocritical. But MPP ne or shy into this monetary type of politics. Ne enya bibi ana ewo ho. Yemfa no nto nchen. The year can say MPP ye a ye magana.
Yeah.
Say this ye a ye magana. Because me need to say I was say nya just one political one party states. Ekobasa na the NDC along the way will lose track because there wouldn't be any guidance saying why we and but I don't also believe say the MPP is good in governance. I believe that the MPP should be a strong opposition, stay back, guide us to rule this country. Because our friend, when you say come about baby one, you know, over tears here, MPP, and they're good in governance, but they are good in opposition. And I wish them well.
Okay.
And the American say, omu elections, you know, they are they should respect the state agencies. And so, when you have videos in the TikToker, you know, FIFA. So we say that boys, any police form air struggle now. You can't struggle with the police, state security. Ekobasa only or minor na inya. But then what I say. So police in the born now born one. Police in our born at Hadena Shannon and our born. Into yes, that is true. Say the air chrono, Omuma Akuma any day. Emra form. Now democratic principles are NBC for your branch elections is a job for big branch. Let me follow your branch elections in your throughout. And I tell you, say, there was no instance of ubiquity will be. But omo branch, omo police station elections, there were on for second. Ubiquity to Ira, omo that hospital. It shouldn't be so. Politics is Kabi. Namin Kabi. Chewadri, Namin Chemadri. Not the Nkwantabisa person or Tuna Abaman. Or Tuna Abaman. And yet to Krasen. It is our normal MP before they ba politics, Mr. Say Adubro. And yes, I am calling you about Chinese idea no. And you will be a better
let us say IB. Thank you. Overclear. You were part and then said the nominee make a chair IB no. Out of 276 so far 23. You didn't say you were interlocutory injunction be on so holding on because of 1 or 2. Or any other place where they by last minute. Steering committee has still have work to do, especially baby any chaotic scenes you know media so.
I'm going to tell Mr. Medasi and of course I'm say the decision by National Council for us to have our presidential primaries earlier. It is one of the best and consequential decisions National Council are taking. When you look at Enyama Akosui Pan and Nankayan to your presidential primaries, you can imagine. Because there is no higher interest via Sankayan to presidential primaries. Adambenka presidential aspirants no. And come interest what constituency elections in Kenya de Kotwa. Now,
I think now interest in FU.
Oh, this is interest by because presidential primaries.
I say you team Baumi and you team Ken.
Now we don't have anything like Team Ken. Okay. Now the MPP has elected no, but the point I'm making is
now I can't challenge
okay.
that. Yeah.
Because I'm not going to be say Yakoko presidential candidate here. You say MPP what presidential candidate here? You didn't quite about also.
Okay.
And they say the Akaya alignment. So we now have a candidate going to the elections. Now here the number of constituencies elections. Now here the pockets of issues are here come as a insignificant because you are to about almost 250 constituencies. Now, the issues free 3 or 4 constituencies are. Me say hey idea about say chaotic. So baby 4 and answer 3 now issues one crampono. Yeah, they are call hold right. Steering committee ho asama can be so say and I say minimum say it may be the next week crampono or by resolve. Near akọ court no there and the judicial process kind democratic tenants no ho. And inti first obi ntino ho ase a on konkoye basa no ase maintain ho ase ntino me dey akọ court ma court process no so ade ekoso. And inti by and large no the process has been very, very peaceful in my opinion because when you conduct elections in about 250 constituencies now say 3 constituencies na issues were I think say percentage wise no the rate like I say 99%. And in human institutions no some of these pocket of issues no better but how do we solve it no and na me honomo. And see I want to encourage the steering committee say omo na ba bi miensa issues no or me resolve it na of course na dia court so no the judicial process no because in just there 10 days maximum interlocutor just in 10 days into within 10 days no I think say the national executive committee no bet national mashana ne also resolve no ADR na resolve na yetimi akoyanim
now yanhwe Miracle Abuachi. I think the MPP statement about one thing na mo commentary mo run here say Abrantia no omo cheno Accra International Airport. Nina assisted by the immigration and Yoko. Na mo worry pa ye nyina worry say ya anti say omo invite Miracle on any security institution. And whatever the case is, the party says so nim engineer so or my arresting and then move to Yoko to seek for interpretation and clarification on what is going on. Miracle Abuaji, the Ghana Yoko arrested.
Nkwantabisa and of course some say maka I will fidie we are so say the NDC youth, the young people in the NDC should be very, very much worried about the show of power by security agencies for the past 1.5 years. I'm going to make us and say the NDC young people today and say abandon 2028 year. And penifua or more exchange or more yes animals had no more NDC from no more retirement. So if there is going to be a retaliation, it's going to affect the young people of NDC today. And they must be worried because this kind of arrest, this kind of intimidation, this kind of persecution will never and can never bring the MPP down. And so the NDC should understand this, say, no amount of intimidation because the MPP party, time one not sabi soldier forty swa, now obi to me kasa, now obi to me as person who crampono, we have been able to cross that, Until who watching miracles for airport with no reason, no known reason. Now you who by because now qua and no empty me and bring MPP down. There is a nation to rule. Who are by moi? A man for no is going to judge you on the promises that you made the people of Ghana, not the number of intimidations, the number of persecutions, the number of arrests of your opposition party people, no. And yeah, no, and you don't so. Abia weti wa ban no modern mo there na see Miracles Abuaje had declared intention to communicate, to be the communication director of the MPP. What sending the whole country. When you go to social media, when you go everywhere, then the next 2 days, yes, at Chinua Airport. Basically, Kwame Nkwantabisa, you are a big host, morning show host. You don't even know the entire Miracles Abuaje. Unless wait my catch the media. Yache Dennis Miracles Abuaje almost 15 to 18 hours near. No institution, whether BNI, police CID, or immigration for Nababakache say, a idea we say and yachino. And nobody is worried. Obi anka se obi bumraso obi anka se obi aye bibi ami ankoche no but we have principles of democracy aye rule of law ye nyina ye nim se obi aye bonifo sembi osusu obi aye boni bia the procedure is there say I want to invite na wa invite no ni I want to arrest no so ka tell say bibi say nti and am arrest na yehu ya ne se ya kwachi no na ye ni babi a bone 20 a ya chi no and
but I'm also surprised say then now mo person ka yoko for ye or mo publish it, the reason why they suspect certain things are or mo befa these are sometimes on security grounds send a lawyer alcohol ni making it known there have been inquiries now ya making it known then we can say Abia they are abusing their powers. But are we not being in a haste to conclude some of these things?
And I'm going to tell you, sir, since when did it become the regular practice of a state investigating authority say, yeah, restore yanka, yeah, why yanka?
Oh, say be American do mukachen. How would we know?
I'm going to tell you, sir. Don't play the devil. Don't play the devil's advocate.
But these are possibilities.
The point we are making is saying we should not behave like ostriches.
That is fine.
As if you don't know what is going on. This whole thing is about trying to silence the voices of opposition. And I'm making it clear this morning. When you arrest Dennis Miracles Abuaje, Osakla will be here to speak. And we will have thousands of MPP people to speak. And so are trying to silence the voice of opposition. The NDC and the government should know, say, they are fighting a losing war. If that is their intention, they are. And you're losing that number fighting because what you need per thousand 10,000 this will be a better. And you know they should just understand this and govern. There is a nation that has been given to them to govern. That is the most important thing. And it's just intimidation. And where do you mean you saw the customer but yatrasa or my Ghana yatrasa sebi a cake and yamano say what the investigative and state apart intimidate to be a trouble miracles will be released and say crowd of the babona lawyer for a money back court now crowd of the babona at waso but near possibly now just intimidation tactics which will not stand the test of time.
All right. Baba I be ho but anopa information enya na sheda nya de ya na Mahama Bukari the second Dabon okay the famous Dabon who restored peace or honor anopa na information signals ne peke se wayenya media ti ya my family ni nyina ne the people of Dabon and so yako I be my member ho as I 1 2 of many. And I achieve why?
Nana, Kwame Nkwantabisa say, MPP for now. It's an assiduous party. This is the second time I'm repeating this asking me. Community. So I have boss on.
But you know they have leadership.
That's what
more leadership
on
in
paper
place.
they have leadership. That's what I said. I have boss on amwa ni tiko kan baby a. Now I done hold the near chair baby before. You know why I'm saying this? You know Nekasano. Of course, this is the first time I say MPP crime by Muda. I am in pet politics, equalization. But sometimes, wow, Casa, it me my area fail. Miracles. Meaning, say, Constitution, never majority.
Okay.
Go and read the 1992 Constitution. I think, say, Article 40, Clause 1, for baby. Omina 18 ye de mra ena chichi oma Nana Nkwantabisa what da adwin ho da se kumasi ayeti sen kamra bi eni kum ha ka bi tuma fi anya akọ kagiti ntu enti mra ena de chichi oma but in the logic of the MPP I keep on saying say according to them no say enya MPP ni a nipa waka bia no enye nipa yeti krom ha 2019 the NDC national chairman the then Ofusu Ampof the then chairman was arrested. Yes, arrested, even denied bail. So me is abere say na oba TV and also oba radio onka de na obeka ekyem you see said ono aka ne krom ha obi eni ho obromra so Abra NDC eba power they win election 2024 they take over in 2025 no so we attorney general tag grant media briefing interview now or church corruption cases baby odru yenu no party kra say you need man sa the American say so call even the developed countries the attorney generals they do say yachi will be in less than 18 hours yemfa but 20 agents so chain no my kona ko kan yoku omo act 2010 act 804 yoko oman no ema yoko ho kwan say Nana Nkwantabisa te Sompa TV anopay say yoko ehwe ne nkratam na ogidi say waye boni bi a ye omu hia permission ometuma ba bechi.
That is true.
I investigate you. Entimi ya na pese o ka kire me say miracles obro Ghana mra so ana. Constitution na me hu say ye chewa within 48 hours no. I was say it in local court. 48 hours no cry and soon 24 hours in Bomai. So what are you shouting for? Na OTA ye two MPP ni biafu say ema obi ntina TV so and I want to radio and ada the first time I check chama to me hunya MPP parliamentarians ma omoko tena form say free chama to me hunya omu free ho call no what if free chama to you said dwene wo ho miracles so aye boni a on to me escape so on aye boni so at the end of the day no you go for me to me na hwe also me jam but investigations in there is a set on mo ye yet ko we mu ma lawyer Gamawo demonstrations bi a happen ye e okum ha ye chinipa be 48 ye deny o ni na bail sabe na ho na tie kunya so
and ya nti na mo so mo ye bia na
ye ye bi but on say wo shan sem bia se na wo ka say obi intimidate obi a ye ka say the body na a very long list but e wi nya say na body no wa ha the air ka akosi ni say Ghana no aye chichiri no e ye mra na e chichiri o man no enti se mra achi obi a enka say obi intimidate Nana Nkwantabisa wote Sompa obi aba ha becho
Dabi
na wo de wo nipa so obi ama ha so obechiw esan say yoko fuon krata mu no udini awu no eboni bia miracles abuaje a wo kana asemi moa MPP aban moa menkofo no abi 2024 abra no lead Bawumia campaign ebe accuse no say sika Bawumia kwa de ma no say on fan koma communicators no for first Kennedy from the MPP internal politics and then now America squad the communication officer Emma MPP what bearing does this have on the NDC because say about MPP communications and one kasa kwa mu say or communicate very poorly. Yes. That is what I'm saying. Say, and it is obey MPP, obey MPP communications. Any bear will be our yes. And in National Castle communication now, Oba Bendy MPP in Tina said, will be quite questionable. Okay, or my issue, and then Yoko for ya miracles and one of my inviting. Such an old Luka Kohobi.
Yeah.
Yet to come on my to me, Satarali, because I'm the final coin. Adentina internal elections are akoso na sabi sikanwo ababo na MPP for bi no kase omo da custody ene if your party indeed is party amodwe nkofo ho a you should be issuing statements on internal politics but Justin Kudia awoye the NDC MPP general secretary no ono ankasa no we use grounds we use hold of the party so the party has tend to say obia to me eka de ope but we want to assure Ghanaians and when I use our NDC no we so be say we say mobile power 2028 I'm telling you say sometimes say o pretend say wada na say won na ya unim say won so da ye MPP into me power in 2028 that is what we never finish a daydreaming because one kasa wotie num enne as a MPP communicator no ubedi adanse say bra na o party e wa ban mu no
okay
na ho che wo man mu chen ne wan so bra bo e koyie e che bra na MPP aban e che kunya so one kasa no will you prefer the MPP to be back
me that say yes sir
I be
Rebata?
Yeah,
okay,
because we're for educational purposes. Because he quoted an article from the Constitution, so what's in the Constitution there? So he quoted Article 14, Clause 1. Now the Clause 1 talks about rights, Now the Clause 2, which also talk about specifically, or say Clause 2, or say, if arrested, you must be told why in a language that you understand. That's the first one. 3, Clause 3. You must be brought within 48 hours to court or release. 4, you must have the right to a lawyer. So, Nana Nkwantabisa, yeah, release na yeah no, boni beni aye. 1, we have not been told why Miracles has been arrested. Is that not what Article 14 Clause 2 is talking about?
Yeah.
Article 14 Clause 4, right to a lawyer. The lawyer for that is what we are talking about. So that is intimidation. IB, the Constitution that you quoted Clause 1, Article 14 Clause 1. The Clause 2, actually say, yes, see, who got you with this one? Let the person know in a language that the person understands why you are arresting the person. Let the person also have a right to a lawyer. It's IB. No customer here can say, near airports way, and your intimidation. But you don't have to be doing this because Ghana, you knew trasa. Okay, also pay equalization. But the why equalization why because I be say within 1.5 years the number of Rambo style arrest, the number of intimidation, the amount of bail conditions are to amount for this one. And but we young people we should move from that. Now you say because at a point we have to stop what we are doing. We cannot continue to be doing this now. Where you be, where should you be? You can't say kind of sad there. And then Canada, Mama, within 1.5 years, come on, you be poor. MPP bar 2029. A case yes, you retaliate and command came. But the air can say at a point, young people, we should understand at a point, we have to stay, let us stop at a point and let
I think to be fair to you.
To be fair to me, also the Kuti Constitution.
Yeah.
And I'm the Yoku Act.
Account.
Act 2010. Act 804. Rebecca will say the Yoko establishes Yoku a specialized investigative agency. Section 2 will say it's mandated to investigate serious offenses involving financial or economic loss to the republic. Now, miracles issue as people in the media, jumping into conclusion. And because of this act, and foresee Yoko to come and tell you what you don't want to hear. 48 hours and so on.
Okay.
So 48 hours and so on. Then your party has the right to say it's 48 hours now so. Then you can go ahead and do a demonstration. But as at now, as it stands, some more demonstration there now say on minor free say on minor found the military, the police, the fire service will take care of you people.
But Abi, the Yoko Act that you talk about, it didn't address the matter that we raised. Because the Constitution is supreme over any other act.
That is true.
And we are talking about 1902 Constitution, Article 14 plus 2, as a American. And it supersedes any other act. Okay. And so the Yoko say what you will be and you got to work hard until watching it. That is what we are talking about.
Yoko has the power
to arrest somebody without telling the person, vote for me.
No, also it doesn't need permission. The word is permission.
No, but we are not talking about permission.
Okay.
We are talking about reason for arrest. Where the Constitution 14 plus 2 say that you must let the person know why you are arresting him.
Fundamental human right is part.
No, not 48 hours. So you say at the point of arrest, you must tell the person why you are arresting the person. That's what we are talking about.
But we can't establish the fact. We can't establish the fact.
He has not been told. That's the point we are making. Now, you say right to lawyer. To train, you say 14 for the right to a lawyer. And also swear. Now, first about the whole copy you know. No, but let us not pretend it's after the airport.
But we are ascertaining the fact and we are discussing.
But the facts are clear. One, that Article 14 clause 2 says.
Personally, I might not be happy with maybe a quiet move so arrested. But we can only discuss about the law, and that is what we are doing this
morning. The law is the law.
Yeah.
And yes, and the law is the law.
And the law says that when you are arresting somebody,
are you talking?
It must the law is the law. The law is the law. But the point of your making
topic back will come on then. Yeah. Sorry, but my promise is it. Now, so, but I think the energy sector is very important for us because energy is bordered on fuel as well.
1 minute to be quiet.
My minute on that. So, offer claim I'm sharing fuels.
And because I'm saying, our energy sector should be looked at again. Because there are so much financial consideration in the energy sector. All the problems in our energy sector is financial based. In Wesika, I bet most of the problem in transmission lines, I was saying, any redundant equipment, I was saying, any engineering, and in semester, nano levy or modifier, na media minimum say, and Komuka so much GA 1 Sinanka, or Mudahakoto fuel, no more power plants. No. And no minister said that one Ghana SDD levy will not be able to buy fuel. In fact, those funds will not be able to go and solve the bigger problem of arrears. The best stress government should find a very nice way to resolve the financial challenges in the energy sector.
Still, we need about 12 point something to billion. That is huge.
Nana Nkwantabisa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Esla.
Mekai pa.
Yes. Brian B before Baba 2016. Omodi campaign, it was one of their campaign messages. Say, Sir Eslam Emwa, but Omo by 8 years. Omo kofa jije Ghana fusika na de ehu a engonwa wo mi say. Abra omo jiji say scan wo Eslam na ye ka no na e balu. Oh, can you imagine? Oh, neba hwe ene ye ka energy asem wa. Ye ntumi kan in petroleum. In the history of this republic, ye to petrol liter 23 Ghana cedis. E wo krum ha. Ye mu bi kra ye kan ketenkete ye koton ye. E koto mu to tena so. Nia enne me no kase yi. MPP aban fi akunya so no. Petrol omo ko na 17 Ghana cedi per liter. Ene liter okwa e sen. Filling station mo mani mu he ye. Enso me John Dramani Mahama say petrol no bosom ya ye wo mi ye yi. Ye sa be tisu bi. E die na wo pe. Enti abra aban we MPP aban ya twemu ko e ba be fa Ghana akunya 2017 na e ka public debt ka ni bi na 122 billion na wo fi akunya so na abalu ko 726 billion. What are we talking about? And now we know what say Ghana can ya tra akunya so almost 18 months ni e current net every 726 billion no Abba they give 674.1 billion.
Okay.
John Dramani Mahama only bill. Better MPP niya to no. Emma John Dramani Mahama. Wa use am out.
Right about mention and I me to him can say the mama Mahama. And you might make me say
to John no Bible ho baby or to John.
And the anapa me juma me to mama Mahama ne say e mabuna wo so mo 24-hour economy. 1 2 3
Remember, and it was 055 0548 931 Oh, mami, that's remember, my messages be or birthdays so bad as it go. Yes, I did for the boom from goes. I have gotten assurance letter. Okay, where your private message, I'll read it. We work on it for you. Good morning. Oyibo way free Abba Zakari, and then Oyibo Boating from Nibi. Well done, MPP, for a successful constituency election, and we'll also congratulate the newly elected executive high to chairman Odeno Kwakwapia Kukaona Boamwa Wukumaike Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary Hofo and Shelley Cheitiwa MP Akuma Wabija South Oyibo Boating Nebehi. Mel Smith sent his message this morning, okay. And Masawood Kumasi Bantama, I will urge all delegates, supporters, and aspirants to conduct themselves with the utmost maturity, discipline, and respect before, during, and after the election. I will also appeal to the party members to avoid functionalism, bitterness, and division, while keeping the focus on winning 2028 general election. Still, Baumia Beba 2028. Regards to Honorable Sampai National First Vice Chairman Hopeful. Okay, messages also. My birthdays in the sports for no. Also, much I said to tell. Mr. Bomania birthdays and they met my year na menye the bit my year menye na men sorry cause a man at ya me man farm am sorry and one MC amanya in term birthdays and manya in term okay na and woman ye dear mammy na keju be the birthday say dear said ye me trip and mapo we nkwa woman na dey Medofo pa Vivian Ofori oye midwife for SDA hospital Kumasi kwada so me mawawoda pa medofo fefe pa me adamfo pa me de makuma me de me kokuwa mu nsem nyina ka kire no ne akyede kese a Onyankopɔn de amami wo saa da sonku yi mu no me bom pa ye se Onyankopɔn nhye afefoforo yi mu ma no ding nyansa apomden pani anije ene ewie maye mempaye nso se dabiara a wo kuma mu moze oh peje wa go fo we SDA di na twere ya pon hey okay me ma wa woda pa mehima maye mempaye se Onyankopɔn nko so nkyerɛ kwan nyi wo ho na onhwe ni nhira pingu so medowo ne ochina ne dan nyina we free ka kire obi oba pa Vivian o se ne mpae ne se nyame be yu afra adom akọ adom onko ani ni pa no she ni secret odo ono obi asa akra da enti odo no ye sonko o ka ma wiase nyina hu se woni ne do to oba bia stay away o ma happy birthday odo ne odo wachina obedo wo da enti obi ka kire a o Sompa TV Sompa FM. Yes, director of creative, manager for creative and socials. So too much. Now, SN my brief. Happy birthday, Vivian Ofuri, our wife. Happy birthday to you. Mungo, na keje 5 pages. Okay, happy birthday to Precious. I know. Happy birthday to Barbara. Beshaman. So glorious birthday to Rose Nibni, Odri Branch, women organizer, age gracefully from Justice Kwaku and Nia Baba, Oforikom Constituency Deputy Communication Officer, Ofo, and Regional Communication Team Member. Today is your birthday, and Justice say happy glorious birthday, beautiful Rose, enjoy this wonderful season and moment. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Franklin Ochiame Esiedu. Franklin Ochiame Esiedu, age gracefully bro from Justice Kwaku and Nia Baba. So today is your birthday, Franklin. Happy birthday, Ochiame. Enjoy this day, Esiedu. And happy birthday to Nana Sai from Sister Veronica Fashion Asokore Mampong. Happy birthday, Nana. Yes, very handsome gentleman. Happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to the chairman of chairman, the manager Ade Kwame Frimpong, manager Kokoto, AK, the gunshot man. Manager, happy birthday. Saying, I'm say, already sure, Nina Domo, and Koso, and Maudios. Naminyo Kese, Kopimso Beo Kesepa. And no paying one a Kumaya day, you be doing you run a beboko. Happy birthday. Namima and miracles. And shall say Emma Brabum birthday we happy birthday, sir. We love you so much. We free manager Jake, manager Nkwantabisa, and then Dios, our behene, Boache, Nanedu, just a tinina. Say happy birthday, manager. And happy birthday to beautiful Miss Samata Lawa. Miss Samata Lawa, head of children's department at Prophetic Hill Church. From the entire ministry and Eagles ministry in the church, we wish you a happy day with God presence, guidance, and favor. No wonder say one for Hills for any day, one for Papa Niger Gazy for Prophetic Hill Church. Happy birthday, Miss Samantha. And happy birthday to Precious Love Toku. Precious Love Amankwa. A nurse at Akim Oda Government Hospital, and a member of Bethel Congregation, Eshia Presby, and SPG, YPG, you shall be the head, not the tail, from your father, Ebenezer Toku Amankwa, at Confederation Hospital, Pathology Department, and Senior Presbyter at Bethel Congregation and Toku family. O papa, said in Yamikosua Shrano, or Senior Minsha, Nebe Kasikopim so Bekasipa. O papa do, papa, into happy birthday. On that note, happy birthday to Elizabeth Ya Champoma at University of Ghana. May God Almighty continue to shower his blessings upon you. Yeah, from the entire family. We say we love you. You have a beautiful family, Elizabeth. They love you so much. So enjoy this day. And happy birthday to Eunice Amma Afum Asotum Salifuda from your very own king, Richard Amedome Agodo. So happy birthday from Richard. Richard says, enjoy this wonderful day. And of course, happy birthday to the Chairman General, Mira, Omahine Yao Edubuache, the CEO of Oria TV. Omai Naminyo Kase. Everybody be sure no so amount. Yarefa Dumu Eshao. Damefa Nishira Enkoso. You are a special person. You are blessed beyond any case. Godfather, happy birthday to you. We love you so much. The entire team say happy birthday to Omaihene Yao Edu Wache. Yes. The prophetic man. Yes, Damisha. And happy birthday to Nana Abena. Nana Abena, happy birthday to you. Nana Abena Victoria. Wilfred Knack of Atinka TV. He say, enjoy this wonderful time and season. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Engineer Michael Kwame Kofi. Engineer, we love you so much. You are a special person. May God grant you all the favor that you deserve. Happy birthday. You are such a wonderful human being. Happy, blissful birthday to you, Engineer Kwame Kofi Michael. Yes, happy birthday. On that note, Chama Waka and Nipa Bayano, my dear sports for Air Tuaso, na omdo sum name.